Sorry, Red. Tradies have a new best mate. Introducing the EASYSPOOL from Nexans OIex. Putting the needs of Sparkies everywhere always at the forefront. You're sure to be saying, why are we only seeing something like this now? Strong and sturdy, developed with safety in mind and an innovation that will change the game. It has the capacity and ease to load up to 6 cable spools, so you can be done with the hassle of carrying them. Easy to load and then manoeuvre, no matter the worksite you're at. It's going to be hard to imagine the days when this trolley wasn't with you on site, your new best mate. Save time with the EASYSPOOL by pulling up to 6 cables at once. The trolley acts as a robust A-frame for you to directly reel the cable. Wiring has never been so easy. Reduce those safety issues by limiting manual handling and having the spools on the ground, making it easy for positioning of cables. You also save time with the reduced number of drum changes when compared to old-style cable rollers. It even comes with a removable Truss OIex toolbox. Genius! And never mind the stairs, this trolley has you sorted. Just swap over to the 3-wheel accessory kit and up you go. For peace of mind, there's even a screw at the back that won't get lost when you collapse the trolley down. Easy to pack down when the day is over, it really is a genuine storage space saver. Trust OIex with the EASYSPOOL. To find out how you can get your hands on one, simply contact your Nexans OIex supplier.